Hi, my name is Chris Drake. I'm the head of product and strategy with the Rev-Trac team. And today's video, I want to discuss some of the on-premise end-of-life consequences, particularly for organizations that are using Solution Manager and Charm. So the second approach is the best-of-breed approach. This would typically be for organizations that have a lot of different applications, maybe not all SAP focused. And then they'd be finding solutions, ITSM for example, that can cover all of their technology stack. These organizations will be using different pieces of technology to cover their ALM needs for each technology stack. In this case, Rev-Trac can act as the orchestration tool for all of the SAP ALM needs. This allows for a tight level of control over governance, automation of deployment, and of course safety when it comes to delivering SAP change across organizations that have very large and not necessarily exclusively SAP landscapes. So as an SAP DevOps automation platform, Rev-Trac is able to offer organizations in the best of breed space tight integrations with tool sets like ServiceNow and Showell, backlog management tools like Jira or Azure DevOps, security tools like Onapsis, and of course test automation tools like Tosca and Worksoft. By plugging all of these tools into Rev-Trac, we are then enforcing the utilization and the progression of change based on good outputs and results from these solutions. So no matter your journey, whether you're going to Cloud LM as soon as possible, whether you're looking at a best of breed approach, or even if you're looking to stay on Solution Manager Charm for as long as possible and then take a strategic approach to your next chapter in SAP change management, Rev-Trac can help. So find us at revtrac.com.